Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations and Repairs. Check it out. It is almost camping season for my wife and I. We love to travel. If you watched a couple months ago, I've got a Toyota Sienna minivan. We took out the seats, made it a nice flat area, and we camp in that thing, especially this time of year when it's kind of chilly out still. So I was looking around, we were looking at getting an air mattress, and they make a ton of different air mattresses that you could probably stuff into a Sienna. But this one kind of caught my eye. The folks over at Vevor make these things, and it's actually for pickup trucks. So it's kind of got a area cut out for wheel wells. Now this is for a 6.5 foot bed, and the Sienna is actually like 8, maybe even 9 foot long inside. I can put a 4x8 sheet down, no problem. The reason I picked this up is I figured if we could inflate that thing and put it around the wheel wells and have it sitting there, I would have about 2 to 3 feet of room in front of it for our camping gear. Like I've got a mini fridge that goes in there and some other camping gear. And so I picked this thing up. I'm gonna carefully cut this thing open. I don't wanna damage the mattress. And then we're gonna walk out of the Sienna. We'll actually inflate this thing and do a test fit to see just how well it works. This is something that Vevor was kind enough to send to me, so I need you guys to be aware of that. But I will, you'll never see this video if I don't think it's cool. That's the way reviews work, at least in my world. If the product sucks, I just tell them I'm not gonna put the video up. It's truck bed air mattress model PK001SS. And it says inflation drop. Well, there's not a lot to this, honestly. It does come with a pump, which is nice because I would just about, oh, I'm sorry, it's the PK002SS. It fits a 6.5 foot bed and it's rated for 800 pounds. Let us hope that we don't break that barrier. Inflation, it talks about you stick the right size nozzle in. It's got a little pump that goes in there. It'll inflate, and it even has a deflate mode here. Cool. It says it's not a life-saving device, which seems quite reasonable. It does look like it comes with, yeah, man, that's kind of nice, this little carrying case or carrying bag for it. And inside is the mattress. It also has the pump here. And let me go ahead and open that up before we head out to the car. It is a 12-volt pump. So that's just going to plug into your rear cigarette lighter. And then you have a variety of different fittings for different size nozzles. So it doesn't just have to be used for this particular item, which is actually cool because my wife and I do love to go, we go swimming a lot at the lake in the summertime. And we have little inflatables there. And man, you try to blow those things up, man. You're about wore out by the time you get there. It also comes with 2 patches. That's kind of cool. All right, let's take this whole thing out to the car. We'll get the camera into the back of the Sienna, and we will inflate this thing and see how well it does. All right, well, as you can tell, this thing is massive. It is well over 4 feet wide. I think it's like 4'5", 4'6", and it is like 9 feet, maybe, I think it's actually 10 or 11 feet to the very front of this thing. So it's got some room. We're gonna take this thing, oh, we got some pillows too, that's cool. And we're gonna unfill it, or unfold it. It's got some instructions right on the side here about deflation and inflation. So we're gonna go ahead and screw this back in to inflate it. You take this part, you screw it in, and then you unscrew the back, this little smaller piece here. It's kind of our fill area right here, all right? So I'm gonna move this out of the way here, and I'll turn the key on. I think so, yeah. I'll get the key on and we'll get this thing charged up. Okay, so obviously I'm gonna have to edit that out, but it took like 15 minutes to fill. This little motor is a little warm right now, but it did get the job done, so it's hard to complain that it doesn't work. 70 watts at 12 volts, so it's not a small pump. Fit is absolutely exactly what I was looking for. It kind of bends around the wheel well. You can see a little bit here that I had to tuck. But these side pieces, if you wish, they're inflatable as well. You can inflate both sides if you want to use this as like a flat area. But for me, this is perfect. I'm gonna pull the camera off and show you up front too. It's exactly what I was looking for. I've got space for my mini fridge. I got a 12-volt fridge that I run in here, and our camping gear and our cookware and all that stuff. So Couldn't have worked out better, right? So there it is. You can see how much room I've got here. Is plenty, like I'd say 2.5 feet there. So that's perfect for what I'm looking for. And we're going to use this for camping, obviously. So what I'm going to do here is kind of weird, but I'm going to go ahead and hop in and we'll wrap this video up. Oh yeah. Oh wow, yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm good. That is a lot better. A lot better than the floor, you know. And we've tried a pad before, here and there. We've tried a pad, but it's those like little foam pads. They just don't get the job done the way that an air mattress does. So if you're in the market for one, I'll leave a link to where you can get it. And yeah, man, like it's not just for trucks. You know what I mean? Cool thing about the Sienna is we got a DVD player back here, so we could even set our heads up against the back there, sit up and watch a movie if it's raining out. And now suddenly I feel like taking a nap. So I guess that'll do it for today, my friends. Take care.